That is why I keep it on the low. But now I'm trying to get paid. I'm trying to get paid.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is different. Actually got a cooler yesterday. Yeah, this cooler right here. Gonna do an unbox for it. It's Vetroo. It's well, as you can see, the box seen better days, but it's here. I ordered it online around Christmas. I got it, but yeah, I'm gonna do an unbox video for it today. So yeah, I know this is kind of different the channel, but it's not gonna be long really. But it's a new cooler. It did not come with no tape. It's just like, no, I don't know what the hell custom did to it, but yeah, let's see what's inside the box. Alright, that's the cooler there. Oh, okay, so alright, this kind of stuff. Let's get into that. Oh, it comes with a thermal paste there. Put that one side. Okay, I think, yeah, this is the heat sink. Okay, so this color was black. Okay. Oh, the manual, I need that. Oh, cardboard is dropping, everything is falling apart. Don't worry about it. Yeah, box. I will bring that one side. Alright, so these are the stuff here. I can go one side too. Alright, so got the manual. You guys can see them in there. Yep, manual. Got the heat sink. Looking really nice. Let's see, camera focus there. Yeah, I can rest that there. Oh, the RGB fan. I think this is adjustable RGB according to the thing. Yeah, got the ports here. Yeah, connectors and all of that. And I guess I can rest this somewhere there. Yeah. I'm not excellent with this thing, but let's see what's in the bag here. Alright, so this is the fan mount. They send 4. Yeah, I guess I can put 2 120mm fans on it. This is the Intel bracket. Camera, zoom in. Okay, guys. Yeah, Intel. This is the AMD one. Yeah, AMD. And I think this is the back plate. I'm not sure. I think this is for the Intel one. Really. And let's see. I think these are Intel screw too for the back plate. So, yeah. And yep, thermal paste. I'm not gonna use this. I actually got yeah, actually got Arctic silver right here. I'm gonna use this on it, but I'm not gonna show like the whole installation setup. Like, I don't have the equipment to do that, but yeah, these are what they come with. You know, kind of look presentable. Oh yeah, I just want to show everyone it's a new cooler, like it's new on the market, so it's pretty cool, to be honest. So if you guys want to check it out, I got it for $24.99. yeah, it was on sale on UX, so you guys can definitely check it out and, you know, get it right while stock lasts, that is. Oh yeah, that's it for the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Yep, as I said, this is different. Don't worry, the channel is not a computer tech channel. I just want to show you basically what I got to put in the system to, you know, to keep making these videos and all of that, because I live in the Caribbean, so in the summer over here extremely hot, like hot. So yeah, but I'll post the pictures on my Instagram and Twitter, so you guys can look out for that. All right, everybody, see you in the next one, and enjoy the rest of your day or morning or night. Game Hero out.